Hi guys, another little group to show you. This is from Big Plane Kits and from Modelsbit, I think it is, yeah. Just to show you, this is a restock. We've got restock finally again of the BPK 72nd scale Boeing 737-800. This is a kit that you require some modelling skills to build, but it's the only 72nd scale 737-800 currently available. They do a couple of others, the 100 and the 200. People are asking me about their Poseidon, which is coming out. It was supposed to come out earlier this early part of this year. As yet, they still haven't finalised it, and I still don't have any further information on its actual release date. My current feeling is we might see it in April. And from the current wording I've heard, it'll probably have the Australian aircraft in it. Probably. Don't quote me on it, but we'll wait and see when we finally get it through. So if you're chasing another 737-800 or you just want to do one, you haven't seen one before, there you go. From Mikro, actually, was it not Modelsbit? Mikro. This is a really unusual aircraft. I didn't expect to see this in kit form. This is the Junkers W34 HI, I'm not sure what HI stands for, but there you go. There's a couple more of these going to come out. I think it's on a float plane and everything else. This is really well done. Nice big decal sheet, so you've got plenty of choices of markings in there as well. The kit itself, the detail for the corrugation and things like that is really restrained and really nicely done. That's the fuselage of it. So you can see there, but you can run your fingers around as long, you know, just really nicely done. I think you'll find the decals will go down very, very well on it. Just that it's beautifully done in the sense that it's all complete. Everything is really nicely laid down. They've really spent some time on getting this right. So. There's no inconsistency with the panels. They're all identical, so it comes up really, really well. Clear parts. I'll actually give you two. So there you go. So if you mess up one, you got another one. So there you go. So there's a clear part. Very clear, very well done. Windows and that for the sides looks really good. Instruction sheet. So there's your decals. Instruction sheet is the usual format they run, so there you go. Fairly simple and straightforward. A little bit of etched metal in there as well, a bit of thing like that. I think it's all. Yeah, I don't think there's no resin in here, so it's all plastic, so that's quite nice. So the instructions are pretty straightforward to follow. Yeah, so should come up very, very nice. Now, Australians did have some of these. Some were flown civilian-wise. Up in New Guinea, I believe. That's the wings, again, really nicely done, all well done. There's no sort of wishy-washy sort of lines and everything else. It's just really nicely done. So, fairly big aeroplane, so you're looking at a aeroplane sort of yay size, so as a single engine. And of course, this led into them doing the JU 52. They did a JU 52 single engine, then they did the JU 52 3 engine. So, if you're looking for sort of an unusual German transport, or you want to play around and see if you can do an Aussie one out of it, then really nicely done. These are in stock right now, so if you want to drop in and see us or go online and order it, you're more than welcome to. So that's that one, really nicely done. So that's that one. Now, these are two new 1144 scale. This is the Mirishev 3MS, which is that one. And they've also done the 3MD. Markings are for all three of them are Soviet aircraft, so that's markings on the side. This is in 1144, so nicely done. The couple of reviews I've read so far have been good. So there's the fuselage. The engraving is really restrained. It's very, very nice. Plastic has got a sort of a glossy feel to it, or glossy look about it. It's also very, very, very smooth. So, a bit of detail in the wheel wells and things like that. So that's pretty cool. Wings, nicely done. So you're looking at a reasonably sized reasonable size aeroplane. So there you go. That's pretty cool. Just a small decal sheet, clear parts. Oh, there you can give a mask set for it. So that's very good. Looks like, oh, maybe it's the different noses as well, because there's a separate piece for a different nose. So there you go. So very, very well done. Undercarriage, wheels, engine. That's the engine parts there. So it's really well done. If for 1/144 scale lovers, you're going to really like this. If you want to build this type of aeroplane and you don't have the room and you want to do it in 1/144 scale, very cool. They've just announced they're doing this version with the big tank on top, the transport unit or whatever it is that they've got on top. That'll be out probably another 6 weeks, 8 weeks, so if you want to do a series of it. Alright, another couple to have a look at. This is the new one, again some new ones from AZ. This is the KI-30 An in 2 choices of styles. They're both the same type, but you get 6 choices of markings between the 2 of them, so there's 3 choices each, so you can pretty well cover most of the main conflict or battle areas that they're involved with. It's an older kit. I think it has been out before from them, but some time ago. I'm not sure whether it's actually purely new mold or not. No, it just says retool kit 2021. So I'd say this has been out before, but they've cleaned it up or done something with it. So that's quite good. New from them as well. This is edition 2021. Series of martlets. So this is the Martlet Mark IG36 and this is the Martlet Mark 1. This one has got British and French markings on it, and this one is all purely British Fleet Air Arm type marking. So it's basically similar kit because the Brits took over the French type when it was not available to the French anymore. So basically that's those 2. So they're quite good. Now, this is a continuation of their series of 109 E models. So these are all different versions or different types of the E model. So you've got quite a choice of different ones there, obviously with all different markings. This is the Battle of Britain one. This is the Experts, so that'll be probably some of the more famous ones in there, so that's quite good. This one is from JG52, the yellow nose guy, so that's that one. These 2 are Spanish Civil War versions, as you can see by that, so there's various markings there for both of them. That's the later post-war marking there, so if you want to do that, so that's those. And then finally you've got, this one is the Polish campaign, and this one is JG51. So the JG51 one has probably one of the famous ones, that one there, plus the others, so that's quite good. And then this is the Polish campaign, so this is very early in the war with the various markings. So if you're looking to do a range of 109Es, you can sort of do this various markings and types and there's 7s and markings, and you can just go nuts. As I said, this is a continuation of this whole ME109E series. Whether they move into the others or not, I'm not sure yet, so we shall see. But have a great day, talk to you soon, catch up, bye.